Hello friends, do you know SCC1 transaction code obsoleted by SAP? Then what is the new transaction code? To copy the transport request from one client to the another client. Let's understand by using this informative video. First of all, welcome to Metaphor Consulting Learning channel. So without further delay, we are jumping to the SAP and understand the detailed step. First of all, let's execute the transaction code of SCC1, then understand what SAP insists to us. SCC1 transaction code we are put it in the transaction bar and executed. Now you can see here system give this kind of message: new copy by transport tool available. Proceed with the new transaction code SCC1N. So N stands for easy transaction code. Many times we are also using ME21N, ME51N. Like there are many transaction code is available in SAP by N. Now coming to here, can we use existing SCC1 transaction code right away? Yes, that is available. You can click no and system will available with the old interface. However, is the practical use from our side that this transaction code sometimes working fine, sometimes not working fine. Now what we can do, we will be moved towards the new transaction code which is precisely given by SAP as of now, SCC1N. Now press enter. The interface tool is look like this type. Here you have to put the request or task, and this is the type of request, means workbench request, customizing request. Apart from that, SAP insists new many request type in this facilitating tool since it is a new tool. First of all, let's copy the request number and then understand the more details. This is a configurable object. We just copy from the Excel file and put it in the request number. As we already intimated, there are various kind of request types are available here. K stands for workbench request and W stands for customizing request. This is a customizing request. That is the reason we can able to choose the W. Now you have to intimate to the system that which one is your source client, from where you have to pull the data, and what should be your target client. So source client should be our 800 and target client should be our 900. Now what we can do, we have to choose the test mode. It is essential to put the tick mark on test run so that system can intimate if any error is processed. So as per the SAP best practice, we are following the processes. Now execute. Execute means we are simulating the case. Here execution is working as a simulation. So we are simulating the case and identify if any error is processed. If any error is processed, then system is insist. If the error is not processed, then definitely system is giving us the clean sheet to move ahead. Then in that case, what we can do, we have to put or untick that test run and move ahead. Now system is taking some time because the request is carrying few more information in the back end. So system is simulating in the back end and pulling the data from golden client to the development client. The data is presently available in the golden client and we are copy the data from golden client to the development client. Why to the development client? Because we have to be test the data and the unit testing is carried out henceforth. So let's wait for the system execution. Once properly system is going to get executed, then in that case system will be giving you the detailed information. So let wait for a moment and understand the system behavior. Will we show you this new tool? Sometimes this tool is taking some time. Don't worry and don't be hesitate. It's depend upon your internet speed. It's depend upon the data volume. So definitely our internet speed is bit slow right now and data volume is also huge. That is the reason system is taking some time. Now system given a detailed information right away. Source client is 800, target client is 900. What is our transport request number and whether the processing is finished or not. However, you can able to find it out many tabs over here, and out of which there is a table statistics, you can able to see it. Now click on that, you will be find that how many number of records are inserted. There are 615 record are inserted. Okay, so go back and remove the tick mark called the test mode and execute. Now once you execute, system will be copy successfully those 615 records from development client to the uh, from golden client to the development client. Let's wait for a while and understand the system process. So once the system get execute, then I'll be elaborate further what are the tabs and how these tabs are going to work properly. All this information I can able to show you one after another. Let wait for the system execution. System is executing in the back end right now. There are some processing is going on. If you can see it here, the processing symbol is displaying. This is a new UI you can able to identify. Similar to that, SAP is also offering the new tool. Always SAP is offering the new tool in the new environment. Currently the environment which we are using, it is SAP S4 HANA 2022 versions. So in elder version, it might be available, it might not be available, but I saw personally in 1709 also it is not available when I was executed it 2 years back. So 1809, 1909, 2020, last year we executed, but there also we don't find this particular transaction code. But in 2022, this year, we found this particular new transaction code offered by SAP. Now coming to the point over here, all this information is displaying. Now go to the table statistics. System will be clearly display that yes, these many records are inserted. Now coming to the object section, so that you can able to identify the clear object. This is the object name. Now you can see here, these are the object are identified or created in the golden client, and this object are stored in this particular table. This is not a table, this is a structure. Okay, in this structure the data are stored. Now how many records? These are the records are inserted segment to these many tables. Earlier this kind of tabular information is not facilitated through the old transaction code, but right now through the new tool this is more facilitated. Now if you are going for the process table, then how many tables are processed, whether it is finished or not, everything is going to show you very clearly and a very daisy manner. Similar way, you can execute yourself in your system and you will be find the more clarity. Currently we are using in our one of our client that is into the live system, and we are demonstrating the same thing. Now going back to the metaphor consulting and able to understand few more details. Metaphor Consulting is not only provide the SAP training but also offering 100% job guarantee services. In spite of which, Metaphor Consulting also offering the live project to their students. For more details, helpline number is available in the desk and you can able to find it out and reach out through the helpline number too. So if this video is more informative or informative for your career guidance prospect, then definitely please like, share and subscribe. It will be motivate us. We are also requesting to each and every person, please share, like and subscribe so that it will be motivate us and will be grow up day by day. Thank you guys for your precious time. We are highly obliged to watching this video as well as participate in this forum. Thanks a lot.